Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. You know, we've got a lot of contractors following us on our YouTube channel, and I just wanted to take this moment and offer some encouragement on waking up every morning with a sense of gratitude and appreciation, especially for our clients that end up picking us to perform services at their house. Today we're doing a mold remediation job as well as a leak detection. It's about a $5,000 job, so not a big job, but to me it really means a lot. It starts with a sense of gratitude and appreciation for putting their trust into me. So with that, I'd love for you guys to consider waking up every morning with that sense of gratitude just for your health, small things in life, just waking up knowing that you've got a job. That alone is just incredibly awesome, and I think we sometimes take for granted. So I really want to give you that sense of encouragement on gratitude and appreciation. So this morning what I've done is I just took a moment and bought some fresh baked goods. I'm going to go ahead and give that. Just these small gestures alone show our customers that we do appreciate their business, and it means a lot. So anyhow, hopefully this will give you some encouragement to start your day with gratitude and appreciation. Give me your feedback. Let me know if this is working for you, okay? Awesome. Thanks for watching.